Hi friend, this is a second continuation video of user management. As we know, user management is the most basic area in which, as a Oracle DBA, if you are starting your career as Oracle DBA, you will get a lot of requests. That will be a very quick and easy task for you to assign on your name and start working on it, and you can resolve by your own without taking help from your senior colleagues. So this is an area where you can contribute to your team without taking any help. So user management, in that already we have covered about user creation, user password reset, unlock, unlock, and quota management. These all things we have already covered in the first video itself and done the practicals. So in this second part of this user management video, we'll be covering user profile in Oracle. Basically, user profile ensure set of password security rules and resource users limit, like any user, how much resource can be utilized for that, and what are the security policies would be assigned to that user. So those things will be there. If you are creating user, like create username identified by password directly, in that case everything like profile, temp table space, table space, these things it will consider as a by default. So even for while creating a user, if no profile is mentioned, then it will take by default. That's what we have. We'll be going to see that in practicals also. Like, let me connect to any machine first. Like, I have 19 installed to this machine, so I'll be connecting it. SQL plus. Now we are connected. So PDBs, since I'm using 19c database with container and pluggable database concept, so we have to connect to our PDB to create user and do all those user management related administrative activities. So we'll connect to one of the created PDB here. As you can see, ORCL PDB. So alter session set container is equal to ORCL PDB. By this we can connect. Now we are connected. So if you wanted to see, we can see like this. Select and name, comma, open, underscore, move from, there is a view by name v$pdb, v$pdb. By this we can check. Okay, I have done some mistake, so let me correct it. Select name, comma, open, underscore, move from v$pdb. By this we can see, yes, this is an open mode. Set lines 200, pages 300, and then we can just execute and see here. So now we are connected to this PDB. Now we'll start doing our testing. So first of all, we'll see what are the users are there. Select user name, comma, account, underscore status from DBA underscore users. Yeah, we have this many users. So I have created few users also, like you can see there are few which are already existing while creating a database. Few users got created, but there are few users that I have created, like dev1, Rohit, and test. Similarly, few users was created by me, and yeah. So now we'll be covering the practical part by using a dev class user. As per my document, I'll be following this. So we'll see the by default profile. First of all, there is a view by name db underscore profile, where profile is equal to by default. By this we'll see first. Yeah, so this is a by default profile. Like if you are not assigning while creating any user, if you are not assigning, then it will take this default profile. In that this all parameter will be set like this. So yeah, the next is we'll try to create any of the new profile. So you can see by this, generally you will get a request on tickets, like uh, from the application team. They wanted to change the login attempt. Currently it's 10, like 10 times. If somebody is logging a wrong password, after that it will get logged. So similarly, they will ask to reduce this count to 5, or sometime they may ask to increase. And also password time, lifetime, currently it's set to 180 days. Sometimes they may ask you to reduce this count. So from here, by using alter statement, you can reduce that count. Similarly, it for all this security condition, they can ask over the mail or ticket. So we have to assign, and then we have to do that changes on the user profile, and then we have to share to them. So now we'll create any new user profile here by using this command. We have to, all the conditions we have to mention as per their client demand, like whatever they are asking to mention. Similarly, you have to use that unlimited, or whatever the time they are asking, that we have to assign. And then it's already existing by this name. I have already created one, so no problem. I'll do some changes in that, and then we'll create it. Like here, I'll just modify this by mentioning one, and then we can create it. See, now it's created. So same way we can create as per like sometime their request will be different, like new profile we need to create. In that case, we can create by this way. And also, like if you wanted to alter any of this parameter, then by using this we can, currently it's set to 10, we'll set it to unlimited, or 10, 20, or any value as per the demand. We can set it, like I am setting this um, failed login attempt to 20. Let's see, we can set this. It's not happening. Attempt, I think some mistake is happening here. Attempt, okay, spelling is mistake. So alter attempt, attempts. Yeah, by this we can mention to unlimited. By that we can, yeah, now we have set to unlimited, or like any number you can mention. If they are asking to set that value, we can set, and then we can do that modification. This way we have to do that changes. And if you wanted to see user profile, uh, what profile is assigned. So by using this select user profile from div underscore user, where username is equal to this, we can check the current profile of this user. And as you can see, app underscore profile is there. So if you wanted to make it by default, we can make that by default as well. If you wanted to do that changes like profile 1, if I wanted to make this profile 1, I'll use this. And here in place of this user, I'll mention dev underscore class. And then we can do these changes, change the profile of a user. So like if they are asking to do the changes on the profile level and they wants to apply that same to that user, so in that case you have to alter that profile and create a new profile and then assign that new profile to that user. That's the way. It will be easy way, I can say. Instead of modifying one by one every parameter, better we can go and create a new profile and then we can assign that. So this is the way we can do that. Now you can see it has changed. Yeah, now you can see it was app underscore profile, now it's app underscore profile 1. So by this way we can do that modification. And how to make a user on expiry. So for that you have to set this password lifetime unlimited. That is also very easy, we can do that. First of all, whatever the user they wanted to make that on expiry, we have to check that status of that user by div underscore profile view, select user profile expiry date. By that we can check and then we can make them unlimited. So yeah, you can see it's showing this date. We can, by using this parameter, we can modify to unlimited. By this we can modify to that profile, we can modify to unlimited, like profile 1. We have to mention this profile 1 unlimited, and then that profile will get changed and then that will get assigned. Since that profile is already assigned to dev underscore class, so it will reflect to that user, and the expiry date will get will get modified and it will become unlimited. If you check now to this user, it will show unlimited. Yeah, see, expiry date is not showing anything, so it means unlimited now. There is no time limit defined for that. So this is the way we have to do. And the next is privilege. Will be covering into the next lecture. So thanks for watching till here.